Hello friends, welcome back to this series of tenses. Okay, so do you know what is tenses? We have already know that is tenses are simply way when we communicate in English. And we are supposed to learn present simple tense, and today we will learn present simple tense part 1. So today we will discuss about this class. Okay, so today we will learn from basic. Today we will learn only basic. So here we can see that is present. So our main topic is present simple, but we have added here present continuous to understand the present simple tense. So here we can see that is in present simple tense, there it is general permanent, and in continuous we are watching that is now temporary. So what's the difference? So we can take a look on the example, then we will understand. So here we can see that is in present simple tense, here it is I play, and in present continuous, or you can say present progressive, there is an example is written that is I am playing. I play, I am playing. So what's the difference there? Do you know? Yes, I do know. The example between here it is in present continuous. I am playing, that is now temporary. Something is happening now. Something is happening now, and that action is continuing right now. That on that time we will call that tense or present continuous or present progressive. So here we have written that is I am playing. We can also make some examples. For example, I am teaching. I am making the videos right now with you. I'm talking to you like this. So in this, I want to give an overview between present simple tense and between present continuous. Only an example. By this you will understand the present simple. So we have already understand the present continuous. Now the present simple. So here we can see when we will use present simple tense. So here we can see that is general permanent. Okay, so words mean general permanent. So general permanent means that is it's general. It's general in true. It's the habit. It always happens every time. Okay, so here let's take a look. Here we can say I play. It means I play, but it doesn't mean that is right now. It indicates every day, and it indicates your habit. So what do you play? I play. So in this situation we are using this tense of this sentence. So I play, that is it's your habit and it is permanent. Most of the time you play, but you are not playing in this time. Most of the time you play. You can play in your field. You can play your favorite sport. For example, I play football. I play cricket. It's a habit. It's a permanent of the time. It's general in true, and it happens happens most of the time. So I play football. So it indicates that is it's in general, and it's pure true, and it can be it's your habit. So I play football. We have already understood that is in general permanent. We can use present simple, and past is present continuous. Now temporary, or when something indicates in temporary, or that action is happening. Okay, so we can take a look on present simple tenses, some sentences. So here we can see that is I play, you play, we play, they play, he plays, she plays, it plays. Okay, so now we can see some differences here. So what's the difference? So here, well, most of the sentences, we have used play, play. But on this here, why we have used S? Okay, so in this situation, because he is third person singular number. When when something third person singular number, we should use S or es after the verb. For example, he catches the fish, she eats rice. for this example. So we can see in this example that he plays, she plays, it plays, or it can be an person's name. Okay, so we have already understood these these tense basic formulas. So we can read for a while. That is, I play, you play, we play, they play, he plays, she plays, it plays. Okay, so here I have written these example, and by following this, you can make more big sentences. Okay, so I hope that is you have understood my words, and if you like my video, just like, comment, follow, and share my video, and stay tuned for me with me. And next part we will learn the present simple tense next part. Okay, so bye bye, and thanks for watching this video.